Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop a little bit out. In this video, I'm gonna explore with you the differences between the Instant Pot Instant Chill ice cream maker versus the Ninja Creami. So the Ninja Creami is another type of ice cream machine that's very popular. It has a huge following and a whole bunch of recipes that are available online. It's been available actually for purchase for a very, I don't know, at least a couple of years, I think. Now, the Instant Pot Instant Chill ice cream maker that I'm showing you right now in this video was just released in May 2026, so this is actually a very new product. And in terms of price, I would say these are pretty comparable. The Ninja Creami goes on sale sometimes, and I actually purchased this Instant Pot Instant Chill on sale. I've noticed it's not on sale right now at the time of this filming, so it just kind of depends on when you purchase it. Now, I've been wanting an ice cream machine for a long time. I actually had a KitchenAid ice cream bowl attachment for a long time. However, when I had the bowl, the problem was that you have to freeze the bowl for the KitchenAid mixer ahead of time. It has to be totally frozen. It takes about a day to freeze it. And honestly, the bowl was so big, it took up most of my freezer. So I never would have it frozen. I'd have to plan ahead like 24 hours just to make ice cream. And honestly, I am not the kind of person who likes to plan ahead. I like to do things spontaneously. So I actually got rid of that and I stopped using it altogether because it just was taking up so much space in my kitchen. So I thought about getting a Ninja Creami machine. However, I realized I was going to have the same problem because with the Ninja Creami, you have to freeze your bases. Like you make all the ingredients and then you freeze it and then you run it through the Ninja Creami machine. But you have to plan ahead for that as well. And honestly, I'm not that big of a meal prep person where I batch prep a lot. If you are, that's actually probably a great solution because they come with a lot of different containers and it is really designed for batch, like meal prepping ahead of time. So the Ninja Creami is probably better for meal prepping ice cream. But if you fall into the other category like me, where you like to just be spontaneous in the kitchen and prepare things as you are desiring them, this is probably the ice cream maker for you. As you can see, I purchased this one because specifically all I can do is basically make up my batter. Right now, I'm showing you how I'm making a cherry sorbet using juice. It takes about 24 minutes to make the sorbet from start to finish. I just poured everything in and look, as you can see right now, it's liquid, but it still has about 16 minutes to go. So I'm going to show you at the end what that looks like. But I was able to just decide what I wanted to make, pour everything in, press start, and in less than half an hour, I'm going to have delicious homemade sorbet. Now, the other benefit to this machine besides the Ninja Creami or even the KitchenAid stand mixer bowl attachment is that you can make rolled ice cream in this. If you like rolled ice cream or you want to have a fun treat with yourself or your family, you can actually make rolled ice cream because the Instant Pot Instant Chill actually has a compressor that freezes everything on demand. So underneath this mixing bowl that you're seeing right here, there's actually a cold plate that gets really cold. That's where you actually pour the batter for rolled ice cream. And then you actually just kind of mix it in there and then you spread it out and then you roll it. So you can make rolled ice cream with this machine too. And you can also add mix-ins to anything. Basically, in the last couple minutes, you just pour your mix-ins right here, and then it'll turn it all the way into your ice cream for you. So it is very versatile with a lot of different flavors. And if you know anything about my channel, I love vegan cooking and vegan food. So this actually has a dedicated plant-based ice cream button right here. So you can actually make dairy-free ice cream. The manual right here actually comes with recipes for how to make dairy-free ice cream. Let's see if I can find it really quickly. It has a coconut-based ice cream, which honestly I don't really like a whole lot of coconut. So I don't plan to make a lot of coconut ice cream. Here's the recipes. And so this is the coconut ice cream. You use a full fat canned coconut milk, sugar, vanilla, and sea salt, and that's it to make the ice cream. The sorbet is even more awesome. You basically just add 2 cups of fruit juice with sugar, hot water, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt, and that makes a sorbet. But I'm actually sharing on my blog, I have a bunch of recipes that I've already posted using the Instant Pot Instant Chill. I have a really awesome recipe for soy tofu ice cream using silken tofu, and so that is actually going to be a video I'm going to be sharing soon. So be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for even more vegan ice cream recipes if you're interested in that. But otherwise, basically my summary of this video is that if you are really into meal prepping ice cream and batch prepping, the Ninja Creami might actually be a better option, but you can also meal prep with this. In fact, since you can make ice cream in about 30 minutes, you could just do a few batches a day right away. But if you are the kind of person like me who likes to be spontaneous in the kitchen, I definitely want you to check out the Instant Pot Instant Chill ice cream machine. This is so cool. When I was in culinary school, we used to make ice cream using a compressor type of machine in a commercial setting, and I would definitely compare this to a home version of a commercial product. So be sure to check out the links in the description below for where you can purchase this online, and check out my website for even more recipes and my Amazon storefront, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop a little bit out. Wow, it's pretty frozen on the bottom there. And then you can also, if you want it even firmer, you can go ahead and put this into the freezer to set up. But look at that. All right, there we go. Delicious cherry sorbet made in just about 24 minutes. And you can also go ahead and put it into the freezer if you want it to set up even more, but this is nice and icy. Let's taste it. So on the bottom there, it's even more frozen because that's where it was touching the cooling area. Mmm. 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 Oh my gosh, so good. The flavor of that tart cherry juice is so delicious.